Hey everyone, so today we have a bunch of air conditioners in the neighborhood. Take my GoPro. Here's our first one. This is a Carrier Performance. This is out in the rain in this waterproof GoPro. 2021. 4-ton cold control compressor, the Performance broad ocean motor. Here, if I'm correct, there should be a Bryant. No, it's a Carrier Performance. And here we have another Carrier Performance. There's a Joel dryer vent right there. It's a big fat one. (2019) 5-ton. Here I have a Lennox Elite unit. Tighten this up a little bit more. It's gonna make it really hard to watch. This unit right here is from 2000. Is a 4-ton from 2007. It has an Emerson fan motor, and it's probably gonna be a cold control compressor. I got my whole selfie stick tightened up. So I got the nameplate off of that air conditioner right there. Okay, right there, it's a Lennox. It's a newer Lennox. I'm just gonna get the date off of the once it's been replaced. It hasn't been replaced, I'm not getting the date off of it. I'll get the date off of this one. 3-ton, 2006. This has a, I don't know, has a weird motor in it. Okay.
Stop it. Let it down. Let it down.
There's my grandpa with his dog. I'm over at my grandpa's house. They have a dog. I'm out walking. It's a little bit, it's drizzling. It's kind of odd. Oh, dog. I'm not such a big fan of people walking by. I don't particularly like people, their dogs. Up here we have an Emerald. There's a nothing. It's an Emerald from 3-ton from 2011. There are the stickies. Here I have a Maytag. It has a compressor blanket. It's a 4-ton from 2017. Oh man, 2021. I don't know where it says that, but it's 2021. Got a compressor blanket, like I said. There's an emerald down there. I'm not gonna get the date off of the emeralds. There's way too many of them. Emeralds. Well, I'll get the date off that one. My back. Oh, right, there should be Gibson. Down here. Yep, Gibson. Here I have a Gibson. There is data on it. Luckily, the Gibson doesn't have micro channels. I hope I did get the data on that instead of just filming a bunch of nothing on that. Okay, now down here we have a Bryant. I don't know what Bryant this is. Looks like a Bryant Evolution. I got that. It's not running. It's making some sound. It's from 2020 and it's a 5-ton. Try to do the same thing as here's this boy. Okay, I got a finicky thing here. Okay. So one is right there. I've gotten the nameplate off of it. Here we don't have that many years replaced.
That's gonna be a long video.
I don't know how many HVAC units I'm going to show you unless I'm actually good enough. There's a little 1X down there. One of these I got running in the cold. I'll show you the one I got. Wait a second. Got a video of that's where they're running. This one right here, this is a 4-ton from 2016. I'm not gonna get the compressors. All that stuff. Almost everyone knows.